The mattress industry has been robbing you blind for generations. And here's the number that proves it. The mattress you're sleeping on right now was marked up somewhere between 200 and 900% before it ever touched your bedroom floor. Documented retail markups in that range for decades. And the people who actually build these things, the factory workers, the engineers, the independent testers who tear mattresses apart layer by layer, have been watching you get fleeced every President's Day, every Memorial Day, every back-to-school banner that changes while the price stays exactly the same. The brands counting on your confusion are spending millions to make sure you never figure out which ones are worth it and which ones belong in a landfill. Here's what most people miss. This isn't just about overpaying. Some of these brands have been hit with class action lawsuits for fake sales. Some had fiberglass buried inside their mattresses that cost families $20,000 in property damage. And the brands actually worth your money? One of them has been building mattresses in their own factories and selling them at honest prices for more than 35 years, and nobody talks about them. And the number one pick on this list scored a 9.79 out of 10 in independent lab testing at NapLab, the highest performance score any mattress has ever received. That's not marketing, that's measurement. The Sleep Foundation and independent testers across the industry have been pointing to data like this for years, but the big brands are too busy printing countdown banners to care. And if you're shopping for a hybrid mattress, a foam mattress, or anything with an inner spring coil system, this video covers them all because the scams run across every construction type. Hit that subscribe button because every week we post videos that pull back the curtain on what the industry doesn't want you to know, so you can spend smarter and sleep better. Here are 5 mattress brands robbing you blind and 5 actually worth your money, ranked from outrageously overpriced to absolutely criminal. Number 5. Puffy. The phantom sale that never ends. Puffy runs what looks like a generous limited time discount on every single mattress they sell. The banner counts down. The language screams urgency. Buy before the price goes back up, except it never goes back up. A class action lawsuit filed by plaintiff Cassandra Webb alleges exactly that. She says she believed she was getting a time-limited deal, only to discover the sale was never actually limited in time and the product was always available at the discounted price. The so-called regular price exists for one reason only: to make the discounted price look like a steal. The testing backs this up. When independent reviewers track Puffy's pricing over months, the numbers don't move. The sale rotates its theme, holiday to holiday, season to season, but the dollars stay put. That's not a sale. That's a pricing strategy dressed up in a countdown timer. Think about that. Every dollar of urgency you felt was manufactured. Every time you thought you were beating the system was working exactly as designed. Puffy isn't the only brand doing this. Avocado Mattress got hit with a nearly identical lawsuit, plaintiffs alleging fake sales and discounts marketed as limited when they were anything but. Resident Home, the parent company behind Nectar, DreamCloud, and Sienna, agreed to a settlement resolving the same allegations. Purple Mattress, another major direct-to-consumer player, has faced similar scrutiny over promotional pricing that critics argue blurs the line between a genuine discount and a permanent list price dressed up as a deal. Here's how to actually use this knowledge. If a mattress brand is always on sale, it's never on sale. Check pricing history, screenshot the price today, come back in 6 weeks. If the number hasn't changed, you're looking at a fake discount. And if the mattress is Certipura certified, that's a legitimate safety standard worth knowing, but it has nothing to do with whether the price is real. You've probably seen these countdown banners on your own screen right now and felt that pull. That pull was engineered. Number 4. Mattress Firm, the retail giant that built an empire on fictional prices. Mattress Firm is the largest mattress retailer in the United States, and they've been sued multiple times for allegedly using deceptive pricing practices. Plaintiffs Carmen Wong and John Melito claim the company routinely advertised mattresses at steep markdowns from purported regular prices that were never actually charged. The mattresses were almost always sold at the discounted price, making the listed higher prices completely fictitious. The numbers don't lie. Mattress firm agreed to a $5.48 million class action settlement and a separate $6.4 million settlement to resolve these allegations. They filed for bankruptcy in October of 2018, right as direct-to-consumer brands were proving you could sell a quality mattress for a fraction of the retail showroom price. And yet the playbook didn't change. Holiday sales, seasonal promotions, rotating themes, same discounts, different wrapping paper. The major manufacturers, including Serta Simmons Bedding, the second largest mattress manufacturer in the United States, have long relied on retail showrooms like Mattress Firm as the primary distribution channel, and that layered model is exactly why prices spiral before they reach you. Why does this matter? Because traditional retail mattresses carry an additional 45 to 70% markup just from the retail layer alone, on top of manufacturing margins that already sit between 40 and 60%. A mattress that costs $300 to manufacture, whether it's an inner spring coil system, a foam build, or a hybrid, can wind up priced at $2,400 to $3,000 by the time it reaches the showroom floor. Here's how to actually use this. If you walk into any retail mattress store and the salesperson tells you a sale ends Sunday, ask them what the price will be next Wednesday. Watch the pause. That pause tells you everything. The fake urgency has been rotating through mattress showrooms for years, and it's probably sitting in a store you drove past on your way to work this morning. Number 3. Sleep Number. The luxury price tag with the leaky foundation. Sleep Number has built its entire brand around customization. Pick your number, dial in your firmness. The technology sounds impressive until you look at the price tag. A queen-size Sleep Number Pro Breeze costs $3,999. The Luxe Breeze Queen hits $4,999, and a class action lawsuit alleges those reference prices are almost always falsely inflated, that Sleep Number rarely if ever sells beds at those prices, and that the only purpose of the reference prices is to mislead customers into thinking they're getting a substantial discount. The independent reviews confirm it. Beyond the pricing games, customers have reported that the adjustable air layer can deflate, leading to sinkage in the middle of the bed. You're paying $5,000 for a mattress that might develop a valley down the center. Think about that. $5,000. For context, the sweet spot, where a queen mattress reaches genuine quality threshold, is $700 to $1,200. Above $1,200? You're paying for brand positioning, niche materials, or genuinely better engineering. Sleep Number is charging 4 times that threshold and delivering lawsuit-worthy pricing practices on top of it. The Sleep Foundation's own research on sleep quality consistently shows that mattress construction, whether coil-based, foam, or hybrid, matters more than adjustability features for the vast majority of sleepers. Here's how to actually use this. If you're drawn to adjustable firmness, hybrid mattresses with zone support deliver firmness variation for a quarter of the price. The customization pitch sounds like precision engineering. What it actually delivers is an air bladder with a remote and a markup that would make a car dealer blush. That adjustable firmness dial is probably calling to you from a commercial right now, and it's designed to make you forget to ask what the mattress actually costs to build. If you're starting to see the pattern, if you're realizing that the biggest names in the mattress industry have been using fake sales, inflated reference prices, and manufactured urgency to separate you from your money, do me a favor, hit that like button. It helps this reach people who are tired of getting played at the mattress store. And if you haven't subscribed yet, this is the kind of research we do every single week. Number 2, Zinus, Nectar, and Ashley. The fiberglass time bomb hiding under your sheets. This one isn't about overcharging. This is about physical harm. Several memory foam mattresses manufactured by Zinus, Nectar, and Ashley Furniture included fiberglass as a fire retardant layer buried inside the mattress cover. The companies put zippers on those covers. Customers naturally assumed the covers were removable and washable. They weren't. Removing the cover released microscopic glass fibers into bedrooms, into air ducts, onto clothing, into children's skin. The human cost tells the story. Vanessa Gutierrez told the Los Angeles Times that the Zenus mattress she bought for her daughter on Amazon for $400 ended up costing her nearly $20,000 in damages, including medical bills. The fiberglass exposure left scars still visible on her 4-year-old daughter's chest and calves. An Illinois couple spent months in a hotel after their home was contaminated, racking up more than $20,000 in professional remediation costs because fiberglass fibers are virtually impossible to remove from fabric. Ashley Furniture, Ashley Global Retail, and Resident Home agreed to a $9 million class action settlement to resolve claims covering mattresses sold under the Ashley, Nectar, DreamCloud, and Sienna brands between October of 2017 and June of 2024. The makers chose fiberglass because it's fire-resistant and dirt cheap, keeping their costs low while maximizing their profits. Here's how to actually use this. If you already own one of these mattresses, do not unzip the cover. Zenus has since transitioned to carbon rayon sleeves in newly manufactured mattresses. IKEA mattresses don't contain fiberglass despite their low price, proving it was always a choice, not a necessity. Look for mattresses that carry Certi Pura certification and disclose their fire barrier materials explicitly. That transparency is the baseline you should demand. There's probably a bed in a box mattress in your home or a family member's home right now with a zipper begging to be opened. Leave it closed. Number 1. Tempur-Pedic. The $900 name tax you've been paying for foam. Tempur-Pedic is the brand everyone assumes is the best because it costs the most. Founded in 1992 by a company that created foams for NASA, the origin story alone has been selling mattresses for over 30 years. Tempur Sealy International, the parent company, is now the largest mattress manufacturer in the world, and that scale hasn't translated into better value for you. But here's what nobody tells you about Tempur-Pedic. You are paying roughly $900 more than a comparable mattress for the privilege of that name. Direct comparisons show the Casper costs around $900 less than the TemperCloud, and both are considered good value for their respective price points. The difference is brand positioning, not material science. Beautyrest, another legacy brand under Serta Simmons, plays the same game with its Black and Harmony lines, and neither brand is offering you foam or coil technology that independent testing actually validates at those price points. Every independent tester who's done the side-by-side comparison knows this. Tempur-Pedic offers only a 90-day trial period, shorter than the industry standard sleep trial period. Over 94% of mattresses now offer at least a 100-night sleep trial, and more than a quarter offer a full year. Tempur-Pedic gives you less time to decide while charging you more for the decision. Think about that. $900 more. Fewer days to try it. The NASA story from 1992 has been doing the heavy lifting for 3 decades, while the rest of the industry caught up on material science and blew past them on customer protection. Here's how to actually use this. If you love the feel of memory foam, you can get that identical sensation for a fraction of the Tempur-Pedic price from brands that offer longer sleep trial periods and equivalent construction. The prestige premium on Tempur-Pedic works because people confuse price with quality. They hear NASA and assume the foam in their bedroom is somehow different from the memory foam everyone else is manufacturing in 2026. That Tempur-Pedic commercial is probably the reason you think expensive means better. It doesn't. It means expensive. Now, here are 5 mattress brands actually worth your money. And I'll keep these tight because you've earned the good news. The DreamCloud Classic Hybrid, chosen as the best value mattress because it performs like mattresses costing twice as much. It comes with a 365-night sleep trial and a lifetime warranty. The parent company Resident Home settled a fake sales lawsuit, so ignore the marketing prices and buy it when the price makes sense for you. The real price is the price. Helix Midnight Luxe, After testing over 200 beds, this is the one recommended to the widest range of sleepers. Hybrid construction with a plush pillow top that delivers balanced medium firm support. If you don't know what firmness you need, this is the safest bet in the industry. Saatva Classic. Launched in 2011 with eco-conscious materials, recycled steel coils, organic cotton, natural latex. They don't compress their mattresses into a box. They deliver them intact with white glove delivery, setup, and old mattress removal included. 3 firmness options and 2 heights. This is luxury without the luxury markup. Original Mattress Factory. This is the one the industry hopes you never find. They build their own mattresses in their own local factories and sell them directly in their own stores. No middleman, no artificial markup, no fake discounts. Completely transparent pricing that reflects actual material costs, local manufacturing, fair labor, and reasonable profit margins. They've operated this way for more than 35 years. Every pro who's looked at their model knows this is how the whole industry should work. If you're running a budget that can't afford to get it wrong, this is the brand to have in your back pocket. And the Wink Bed. The #1 rated mattress with the highest performance score any mattress has ever received in independent lab testing. A 9.79 out of 10 at NapLab, corroborated by reviewers at the Sleep Foundation and across the testing community. It's a 14-inch tall hybrid with above-average performance in every single category tested. Available in 3 firmness levels. A queen costs $1,799, which is 18% above the average hybrid price. For the single best performing mattress ever tested, that premium is not a markup. That's earned. If you've been searching for the ceiling of what a mattress can actually do and you want proof in the numbers, this is the one sitting at the top of your list. If you made it all the way to the end, you've just learned something most people never will. The mattress industry has been hiding behind rotating sale banners, inflated reference prices, and billion-dollar brand stories to charge you 3 to 9 times what your mattress actually costs to build. Smash that like button if this changed how you think about where you sleep every night. Drop a comment and tell me which one surprised you most. Team Original Mattress Factory, the transparent pricing model nobody talks about, Team Wink Bed, the highest score ever recorded, or Team Tempur-Pedic, the $900 name tax you didn't know you were paying. I read every comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss a video. I'd love to have you on this journey with us. Remember, sometimes the best mattress isn't the one with the biggest billboard or the loudest sale. Sometimes it's the one built in a local factory with honest pricing, waiting for you to stop believing the banners and start reading the receipts.